This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for May 1st, 2023. It's currently March 30th, 2023, 1:06 a.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file we're about to play was created on February 26, 2023 at 5:23 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, this is going to be a significant move on a multi-day chart. It would stand out. The full card's a little difficult to determine direction, because it could be either direction, the full card. But my sense is that this is probably a bullish day. Right, with a failed attempt to break through key resistance and then a decline through key support. So I think we probably have a low here first thing in the morning in the midst of a pre-market decline, offering an opportunity to open up a long position. By the open, we've declined through multiple support levels, or I should say, at the open, around the open, there's a decline through multiple support levels from a crest right at the open. An important resistance level highlighted, and a lot of price change there to the downside. It looks like between roughly 10 and 11, we have a period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move higher. Fast sudden move higher takes us into a failed attempt to break through key resistance, and then a decline between roughly 11 and 12 that increases with momentum moving forward in time. Roughly midday out of that decline, there's an unexpected fast sudden move to the upside. This is a move that takes us to the day's high roughly around 2 o'clock. There's a bit of a pullback off of the high to a support level. That's an important support level standing out on at least a one-day chart, but it's support that can be trusted. And off of that support, there's a rally that increases with momentum moving forward in time into the close. Likely have a high for the day. There's a high for the day, probably 2 o'clock, and then maybe in the post market as well. And it looks like I probably want to wait on like any like significant trade. So there's a day trade here. You can open up a long position here in the morning and then close it around 2 o'clock. But the real trade, it looks like, is the following day. And we'll get into that. The sneak preview card for the following day. An important support level on a multi-day scale is highlighted. There's usually a lot of price change when you see an ace. I think I left out the highs and the lows. So the high for the day is nullified, but we'll be rotating sideways along key support near the high, rise to meet the nearest resistance, and then fall back down and continue rotating sideways along that support behavior around the lowest low. We declined to reach a support level that we recently met once before. And that's probably on like somewhere in the previous few days. All right, that's the S&P 500 for May 1st, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. If you don't know what the rule of karma is, it's the whole purpose of the channel, guys. Here on the resources tab of our website, you want to donate 5% of profits back to the channel here at Cash App or PayPal. We call you guys the angel investors because you're also taking 5% of your profits and paying it forward to somewhere. Someone that needs it, somebody doesn't expect it, pay it forward to the universe. The universe will repay it to you in turn. And as long as you spend that money out of love, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.